It's time to learn with Finn and Pip. Whoa! Look at that, Pip! It's a giant mixing pot!
It smells like magic, Finn, but it's empty inside.
Hear that ring? It's ready to mix colors. We need to make purple! To make purple, we need 2 colors, red and blue. Let's go find something red first. Keep your eyes open.
I'm looking for red. Here we go. Oh, look what I found hiding in the leaves.
Great job, Pip. That is a big, shiny strawberry.
It feels bumpy because of the seeds. And it's so red.
Red is the first color we need for our potion. Red like a fire truck.
Rolling it to the pot. Now we need blue.
Right. Let's find something blue to mix with it. Incoming! It's something round and bouncy.
I caught it! It's a blueberry, Finn!
This one is smooth and cool. And look at that color.
It's blue. Blue like the sky and the ocean.
Perfect. We have red and blue. Time to mix.
To the cauldron. Let's make magic.
I'm coming, Pip. Ready, Pip? 1 red strawberry, 1 blue blueberry.
In they go. Look at them swirl.
Mixing, mixing, red and blue are changing.
It turned purple. We made purple jam.
That was tasty magic. Ready for a trickier mix? Yes! I want to find more colors! Look up, Pip. Something soft is falling.
It tickles. It's a big fluffy feather.
It's so light and soft, and it's definitely red.
A red feather, like a cardinal bird.
I'll hold this safe. Now, where is the blue match?
Searching for blue, searching for blue.
Whoa! A long silky ribbon just appeared.
I'm a present. It's a beautiful blue ribbon.
This is smooth and slippery. Very blue.
Blue ribbon, like the color of blue jeans.
Feather and ribbon. Soft and silky. Let's mix.
I wonder what a feather and ribbon make.
Here goes the red feather and the blue ribbon.
Whoa, that was a sparkly mix.
It turned into a purple party hat. Look!
I'm a purple prince. Red and blue make purple.
Looks great. One last mix, Pip. The biggest one yet. I am ready. Let's find the shiny gems. Look at that glow. It's a red ruby. It's so bright. It's like a piece of the sun. It's hard and smooth. A solid red crystal.
Red! The strongest red we've found!
Got it. Now we need the blue crystal. It must be close. I see blue mist. And here comes the blue sapphire, floating in a bubble.
Pop! I caught it! It's cold like ice!
Look how the light goes through it. Deep, deep blue.
Blue! We have the red ruby and the blue sapphire!
This is it, the final mix. Let's make a giant purple cloud. Hurry, Finn, the magic is waiting. Red and blue together forever.
It's exploding! It's purple!
We made a magic purple cloud. It's like walking on a grape cotton candy.
Red and blue make purple! I love purple!
You did great today, Pip. We found all the colors. Thanks for helping us. Bye-bye. Wow, we learned so much today. If you had fun with us, click that big red subscribe button right there. And please ring the little bell too. That way, you'll always know when our next adventure begins. Bye-bye.